crap! Okay, so our goal today is to do a duck hunt. Yes, so we're going to play the game Duck Hunt, except actually with drones and with Nerf shot. So right now we're trying to set up the scene. So we need a backdrop. We're trying to decide if we want to do duct tape, if we want to do projector, and then of course we got to set up all the Nerf stuff as well. So currently we're also building a duck out of a ducted drone. And then of course we need some sort of duck to be underneath or on top or split down the middle or something. So we got to figure out the duck situation. So the idea will be basically I'm hiding behind a blind and then the ducks fly out and then I whip around and shoot them with a Nerf gun.
I like it.
Yeah, it'd be fun. So we printed out our ducks for our duck hunt. Now we are taping them to the drone maybe. If it flies at all, it looks pretty dope. So we have the one duck there. Got a beta duck for the black and whites just to do some tests. So we also printed off the dog to be able to use the dog as well. Check that out. So we're gonna move that motorcycle and then blast an image of Duck Hunt on that wall, whether we do it with a projector or with duct tape and light it. Yeah! Round two. Oh! Oh! Crap! Oh, I'm missing that time. Fly back. You fly back. Oh! Ah! Crap! Crap it done. Time for an upgrade. Yeah. That's cute. Oh, I didn't. I missed him. Did I hit it? Oh! Crap. Have to wait for another one. All right, here we go. Oh, crap! It's time for a serious upgrade and a battery change. All right, so double barrel, pump action, You know what we need now? Oh God. Yes, 25 shot Nerf blaster. Here we go. All right, so try to make sure it's charged up. Oh no! I hit the wrong button. Oh no! I think those all vaporized. Oh, good lordy. All right, well, let's reload. Just vaporized. Like, where'd they go? I see 3. Yeah, yeah. So that one you could tell? Oh, yeah. Bonus round. Luke nearly got me. Uh-oh. Time for the big one. Yeah. All right. Woo! You just come back this way. You just come back this way. Woo! The ultimate duck hunt shotgun. Nerf does beat drones after all. So, Nerf, let's see here. What was it? Nerf, what are we doing? Nerf dirt hunt? Nerf dirt hunt for the win. 2 thumbs up, I would highly recommend. But don't let me tell you what to do. Probably don't, maybe. Maybe